Hello friends, I am Sharad Sathi. Today I am going to teach or give the information on the topic of weather and climate, means the concept of weather and climate and elements of weather and the different elements of weather and climate. First of all, the concept of weather and climate. Weather can be defined as the condition of atmosphere at a certain time for a short period expressed by various meteorological phenomena such as temperature, atmospheric pressure, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, cloudiness, and wind direction. Then the second concept, climate. Climate can be defined as the average weather condition of a place or a region throughout the season. Means climate is the average weather condition of a place or a region throughout the season. Then elements of weather and climate. The principal elements of weather and climate are given below. It means that these are the different elements of weather and climate, and they are temperature, atmospheric pressure, humidity, rainfall, snowfall, velocity and direction of wind, and distance from sea and mountain. So, in the elements of weather and climate, first, temperature. Temperature is a physical property that quantitatively expresses the common notion of hot and cold air. Various types of physical, chemical, and biological processes in environment occur directly or indirectly due to temperature. Sun is the main source of temperature, and temperature is measured with the instrument of thermometer. Then the second elements of weather and climate is atmospheric pressure. Like as the temperature, the atmospheric pressure is also one of the important elements of weather and climate. The atmospheric pressure can be defined as the weight exerted by the overhead atmosphere on a unit area of surface. Atmospheric pressure on the surface is not uniform in vertically and horizontally. There is close relationship between the pressure and wind system, because you all know that the wind is also flow from high pressure to low pressure. So the atmospheric pressure is directly affected the wind direction and wind velocity. And then the third elements of weather and climate, humidity. Humidity is described as the presence of water vapor in a given volume of the air. Means the present of amount of water vapor in the air is also called as the humidity. Humidity controls the growth of plants, forms of condensation, and precipitations are also depend on humidity. So the humidity is also one of the important element of weather and climate. Then next, rainfall. Rainfall is the form of precipitation. Raindrops are formed around the particles that found in the air. Water droplets come on the Earth's surface is known as rainfall. Proportion of annual rainfall affect weather and climatic condition. Next, snowfall. Snowfall is a teeny ice crystal stuck together to become snowflakes. If enough ice crystals stick together, they become heavy enough to fall to the ground is called as snowfall. Snowfall occurs when temperature below 0 degree Celsius. It ideally occurs in the areas of high mountain and high latitudes. Next, velocity and direction of wind. Horizontal movement of air from high pressure to low pressure is called as wind. Wind is a climatic element that transports heat and moisture into a region. Wind is therefore usually discussed in terms of prevailing direction, average speed, and maximum gusts. Next, distance from sea. Nearness of sea or water bodies receives some advantages of equal climate, temperature maintained through sea bridges and land bridges. Mountain affect distribution of insolation and rainfall. So these are the different elements of weather and climate. You watching this video. Thanks.